As-Salaam Alaikum, brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today, Insha'Allah, we will explore some noble deeds to practice during Ramadan. Following the example of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who showed us how to spend this blessed month. Let's discuss 5 sunnah that we should strive to follow this month, Insha'Allah. The first sunnah is to wake up for Suhur, which is the pre-dawn meal before Fajr prayer. This meal is important as it helps us maintain our energy levels for the long day of fasting ahead. It carries many blessings, and we should not miss it. The second sunnah is to break our fast immediately after sunset, which is Maghrib time, and not to delay it. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The people will remain in good condition as long as they are quick to break their fast." A third sunnah is to pray Taraweeh after the Isha prayer, in the masjid, with our family and friends. If we are unable to go to the masjid, we should pray it at home with our family. Another sunnah to practice this month is to feed the poor and hungry. Giving charity to the less fortunate is a beloved deed to Allah, and He will reward us abundantly for doing so. Finally, during this month, we should strive to read a lot of Quran. The Quran was revealed in Ramadan, and this month is known as the month of the Quran. It is an excellent time to read, understand, and memorize the Quran as much as we can. So, dear children, which sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him, will you strive to practice this Ramadan? Until the next reminder, always be good to your parents and kind to others. See you in the next Ramadan reminder. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. As-Salaam Alaikum.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अहमद। हमारे चैनल किड्स विद इस्लाम को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें।